Hello and welcome to a tutorial from Mash.ie for sellers who want to add coupons to their store. Mash has gone through a bit of an update which has made it faster, but it's also added some cool new features which we're going to show you. This is how you create a coupon if you're in your account. This is Mash's vocabulary packs account, and basically you always start at any time with your dashboard. So click on My Dashboard to start off with, and what we'll see here is your normal dashboard with all your statistics, any of your announcements, your reviews, all that sort of stuff as well. But what we're looking for here, importantly, is our coupons. So we click on coupons to see them. These are some coupons I've made for this store in the past, and what I'm going to do is very simply we're going to add a new coupon. Okay, now the next stage of our adding a coupon is we need to give it a title. This is the thing that the customer will type in when they're at the when they're checking out of the shop. So we're just going to call this one an October treat. Okay, so this is called October treat, so that's what they'll have to type in, and this will give people that watch this video a nice October treat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a percentage discount. That's generally the best way of doing it. You can give a money off, or you can give a percentage off. So I'm going to go with a 50% discount in this case. So there's a 50% discount on our vocabulary packs. Any email restrictions to somebody that any email address that won't be able to use that coupon, you'll mostly leave that blank. A usage limit is always a good idea, otherwise a coupon will never run out. So I'm going to give it to the first 50 people. And my expiry date is going to be at the end of October 2018, so on Halloween, for those of you who do Halloween. Now, we can exclude sale items if we want. In our case, I would recommend you tick that box really, or else your sale items will be very, very cheap, but that's absolutely optional. And the minimum amount that someone has to spend, again, I'd leave this blank generally. Now, what you can do is you can select some of your products. So what we can do is we can search through our products. So if I have a look for any Halloween stuff, I don't have anything there, but I do have something on fruit. So I'm going to do it for fruit. Now what you could do, of course, is you could select all your products, so all of your products will be included here. So what we might do there is I'm going to do it for autumn because it's October. I'm also going to do it for fruits because I think that's a nice time to do it. I must make a Halloween pack. I thought I'd have one. We can exclude products, but once you've included two, you don't need to fill this one out. You can check for categories. Again, I wouldn't really bother. That's a new feature, but I'm not really interested in that. And you can exclude certain products, so if you have certain categories that you don't want. So these are the categories that we have on Mash at the moment. And the other thing which I think is very, very good is on your store page you can actually show the coupons that are available, and we can check that box if you want people to show to see it. But in my case I'm not going to, because it's a bit of a surprise if you watch this video. So October treat, remember, is the coupon code. So we create the coupon, and once we create it, it's done. So anyone who checks out using October treat and buys any of those two products will get a 50% discount. So just by watching this video, you've managed to do that. I hope this helps any sellers who want to add coupons to their store. If you're going to be giving 50% off or 10% off all your products, don't forget to click on that select all. It's a good shortcut rather than clicking things individually. I hope this helps you, and we'll see you again for another video. Make sure you give me suggestions in the comments if there's anything you'd like to do as a seller, and we'll be more than happy to try and make a video to help you. Thanks a million.